Welcome back. So we're continuing from our previous lesson. So we are going to be coloring this burger, right? So let's pick our color first. So I'm just going to draw out. Let's draw out our shape tool. Like let's pick the color from the burger, or if you prefer to use some other colors, then yeah. Okay, so grab your eyedropper tool. Yeah, click on your eyedropper tool and just select the color. So here we have our burger bread color. Okay, holding down Alt, click on Alt, then click and drag, duplicate. Then grab your eyedropper tool. The shortcut for your eyedropper tool is the letter I on the keyboard. So click on the letter I. Let's select our onion color. Let's duplicate it. Click on the letter I, or click on the eyedropper tool here directly. Then select your chips color. Now we want a darker color for the chips highlight. So let's just double click on the swatch darker color. I think it's called shade, right? Not highlight. Okay, let's duplicate it. Let's grab our meat color. Okay, now let's duplicate it. Let's add our green color. Okay, so the burger red, the one down, is a bit lighter. So let's just click on it. Okay, now we have our burger color. Mind you, you can change your colors. You can play with your color, make it pink, make it red, make it whatever color you want to pick. So let's highlight all these colors here. Right? With the color highlighted, want to add it to our swatch. So all you need to do is come here, click on the downward arrow. Okay? Click on the downward arrow, then click on this called new color group. Right? So with that selected, just click on OK. So here, if this is not selected, make sure to select it. That means convert process to global color. You converting to global color means you can easily change all the colors, all appearances of the colors anywhere on your artboard with just one click, right? So, but if you don't need that, you just uncheck it or leave it. So check it, convert to global color. Click on OK group. All you need to do is click it, right? Then come to this here where you have your shape builder tool. Right click it, you see the live paint bucket. Then click on the live. Now on the live, when you click on the live paint bucket, it's going to automatically select your swatches. Right? Now let's remove the fill. We don't want any fill. Um sorry, not fill, stroke. So let's select our stroke and make it okay. So it affected our image to Z. So let's grab our swatch with this selected, right? With the paint bucket selected, let's grab our swatch. So you can select the group color. Just click on this icon here. Click the group to select the group colors. Now let's go back. Now the first color highlighted here is the mid color with a black hue, with a black stroke rather. So using your downward arrow, using your arrow. Okay, this is not working. Okay, so it's good that we're making this mistake. So before you select your, let's remove this stroke. Let's make it the non-stroke. Let's grab our images. Okay, so click on your image. Grab your paint tool, grab your group color that you just added. Okay, now working well. So it has loaded the entire group colors, right? So you select your image that you want to use the paint bucket for. So the light paint bucket is used to color your illustration, right? So you don't have to be going back and forth, selecting swatches, coming back, right? So you select your light paint bucket, select the groups to change color. Can you see? You see like three boxes appear. Use your arrow key on your keyboard, your side arrow to move left, your right arrow to move. So we want to select our bread. Um, Let me pick this back. We want to select our bread color. This is our bread color, right? Yeah. So this is the yeah. So this is our bread color. So to add it to this um illustration, just click once to add it. I see that's added our bread color. Now in this down part, I'm going to use this darker mixed color just to give it a dark shade. Okay, so that's that. Then our onion, this is our onion red. Let's zoom in. Now go to click the side to now our onion selected. So just click once, try moving this fill color. Okay, let's just go ahead. Okay, so let's say for example, what I did is selected the color that we selected. So when you click on your arrow key, upward and down arrow key, will take you to the different groups of colors that you have in your swatch. So right now, I'm going back to our group um, color swatch. So click on the side to select color, side arrow, left or right arrow to select your color. Now we have our red onion. Red. So here, let's make it this color. Okay, our onion is not onion. Okay, let's just add. Let's see how this. Okay, so here is white, the inside of the onion. White. So here is this color. Here, that's the chips color. It's a chip. It's a chip. It's a chip. Chips. 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 This also is chip. Okay. So this also has this our. So just click and add your. This also is chip. Let's go. It's. Let's just make it this color. All right. Now let's make it this darker color here. Okay. Now this our meat. So let's give it a meat color. This is a meat color, right? So giving it a meat color. So let's zoom in. I'm going to zoom in. So right now we have this line here, this overlapping line. I don't want this line here. I want to delete it, right? This is our leaf. I want the leaf to be like it's on top of the leaf. So to do that, grab your shape builder tool. Come here, right click here, right click and grab your shape builder tool. Then holding down Alt. Okay, you can't do that because you've built your shape. So you can't edit the line because you used the paint bucket to build your shape. Right. So let's see. Let's double click it and see if you can do it in isolation mode. So what I did is I want to select only this thing. So I'm just going to double click it, enter isolation mode. Double click it again, enter isolation mode. Now we've selected our line. Right now it's still um grouped. So let's see if it's going to work. But I don't think it's going to work. Grab your shape builder too. It's not going to work because you built your shape. Okay, so before you use your paint bucket to make sure that any extra line is removed, make sure any extra shape you have is removed. Now I can delete this. Let's see. Let me see if I can make it. Okay. Okay. I am looking for a way to take it back to an outline. Let's see if expanding it will help. Okay, yes, it helped. So this is what I did. Let me control Z it. This is what I did, right? So click on it. Let's say you want to edit this extra line and it's not working because you built your shape. To edit it, come to object, click on expand. Expand is used to like and it will take you back to like your the edit take you back to your editable um vector graphics. So just click on your expand both the object. Right now because you use your paint bucket and it's now an object, you can't edit. You click on OK and you'll be able to edit the extra line, right? But I'm just going to select it, let's zoom it right in. I want to delete this extra line here. Grab your shape builder tool, hit selected, click on Alt to delete this extra line. Just click and see the extra line. I want also to delete the extra line here. Click on Alt and hover over the line you want to click deleted. Click on Alt and click delete the extra lines. Click on Alt and delete the extra lines. So let's see which other extra to delete. Okay, that's it. I think that's I think that's it. Okay, there's an extra here. This line is not supposed to be there. Just written. Okay, so let's go ahead. Grab your selection. That's how you use the shape builder tool to create on the lines to join shapes. So let's grab our group image. Now we've not colored this part red. Okay, you may face a challenge because I see this image. Our bread. Okay, let's go ahead. I think it's going to work. Okay, zoom in. Let's grab our paint bucket. It's still here where your shape builder tool is. Right click and click on your live paint bucket and select your group, or you can use your downward arrow to go to your group. Just using my down. Okay, so let's make red. So these are red, ready to use. Then this is green. Just going to put the green. around. Okay. Is this side a bread? I think it's a, yeah. Okay. Here is also bread. Okay, so I'm going to move to the bread. Okay, here is also bread. Okay, no. The Z. Let's make it green. Okay, so here is also green. Our green leaves. And we are done. So here, our onion is white. You know what? Let's make it red. No, let's make it this color. Okay. Okay, so we've colored every part of our image. Let's let us select. Right now, can you see the it has become like a bounding box. So right now it's an object because you've used the light paint. But we are not done. I want us to edit the line and make it realistic. Right now it's looking like you're going for war, like it's not looking like food. You can never have this kind of lines for food. It's so straight and that. So let's take it back to the editable format. Can you remember how we did that? Okay, you go to your object, expand it, then you're expanding everything. Click on OK, check object, view, stroke, everything. Okay, now it's editable. And you can see the bounding box has right. So it's editable now. So we want to edit the strokes, right? Okay. Mm, okay. So let's click on this. Double click on it to enter into the image. Double click on it again. Now double click on it again. Now we can select this. Okay, now we can select our strokes. So now with this selected, let me use this as an example. Let's go to this is stroke. Let's go to here, this panel here on the top right, on the top left, you see uniform. Click on it, the downward arrow, and these are different formats. Notice the change. Can you notice the change? It changed. This it still changed. Okay, I think this is better. Let's use this for all the strokes. So you click and click. You can do multiple at the same time. So let's click on everything. Click on your stroke. I'm holding down shift and clicking on as many stroke as I can. Let's go to uniform. Make it this. You can also reduce the size of the stroke. Right now it's a bit looking overwhelming. Let's reduce the size of the stroke like 5. Okay. Okay, I think that works. Let me zoom it in. Now let's grab all these strokes. Feel free to fast forward. I'm just grabbing it and the stroke. So click on it, right? And let's grab our eyedropper. Let's see if it can select the properties of the stroke. Yes, it selected the property, but it didn't change here. It didn't change here. So to Z it, that means we have to do it manually. That's okay. Select every stroke that you want to change the properties. So I'm selecting this stroke. I'm selecting this stroke. Stroke. I'm holding down shift and selecting it. Just like how you hold down shift to select things on your computer. It's the same way you do. Okay. Okay. So we've done that. Let's reduce the size to 5. Let's go to here and here. We've done that. So now let's do this one here. Change it to this and use the size to 5, depending on what you're doing. I'm just showing you how you can do it. Not necessarily you must do this way, right? So you can download any image. You can download a burger image and do it yourself. Make it 5. Let's make this. Okay, so we have successfully drawn. Let me control exit. I want to be able to delete this. I want to paste it back. Okay. Now we've successfully drawn our burger. To go out of this isolation mode, right? Just double click on the empty, not the image, empty. Double click on it, and there you have it. Voila, you've drawn a burger. Are you excited? Congratulations. Now, but we're not done yet. Can you see this burger? It has this dot, like a, what's it called? I'm confused. Like, what do you call this? Like grains on it, like in its oval shape. So let's do it for ours as well. So let's grab our circle tool. Let's change it to the white field. No, let's make it this color and just make it a bit lighter. So it's not so like this thing, like oh it's white, right? So let's pick and drag. Don't hold down shift to create a distorted um circle. So yeah, we've done that. Let's see the color. Yeah, it's okay. Let's just make it a bit okay. Let's do it. You can do it any shape, any direction. And okay, our burger is ready to eat. Yeah, okay, so you can change the color, you can use any color, maybe the person you are illustrating for has brown colors, right? And wants you to maybe illustrate like a chair with his own colors, or maybe a book, how you can change your colors. It's not necessarily you must use the specific colors for your illustration. It may not look like a burger color. This obviously does not look like a burger color, but at least you can tell that oh, this is a burger. Okay, so this is our illustration. These are former, our base illustration. Let me move this here. This is our base illustration that we use with this, right? Okay, so this is an onion color. Okay, let's make this an let's grab our paint bucket. Okay, make it red. Okay, yeah. So there you have it. Your burger illustration is ready to wow. All right. See you in the next lesson.